Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having Peruvian food.
Yes.
So we have the usual. We have rice and beans with chicken, and then we have some fried yuca today.
We're gonna dip it in the Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A sauce. And then on this side, I have their seafood gumbo. This is how they make their gumbo. It's almost like a soup. This would be my first time trying it, and you can try it as well, my love.
As long as there's no pork in here.
Yeah, there's no pork, just bare seafood.
Yes.
So I want to see how it tastes. This is how it looks. It's watery. It's a watery textured soup. It's orange. That's how it looks.
You can see it. It's so good.
So you guys can see that.
Orange
and it has different seafood in there. So we're gonna dig in. As you guys know, it's not Fast Food Friday. We're just eating our food today because you guys know we can't use our kitchen. We still can't.
Oh God. Don't remind us, but family.
Hey, don't remind us.
Just bear with us, okay? He's gonna come back. But we gotta do what we gotta do, you know?
I love this red sauce right here.
You gotta do what I love the red sauce too.
My favorite.
You gotta do what you gotta do, family, you know? Okay? Don't worry. We're gonna start cooking back again. As soon as
We missed it.
We missed it. You know what I'm saying?
Can I have?
Takeout week.
Well, that's true.
What do you need?
The Chick-fil-A sauce.
Takeout week, family.
Yam some yuca.
I know y'all. Yeah, like okay.
Pour it there, honey.
One put my thing.
You're right there.
I know you're like, alright, family. Don't worry about it. It happens like that sometime. You know, remodeling is a pain, but somebody got to do it. You know.
I'm glad we're able to do it.
Yeah. Yes, but when it's all said and done, ching ching. You gonna put the house in the bucket?
No.
You don't want to sell house. You want? Then you tell me you want to live on water. First, you tell me she want to live on water, family.
Nope.
Oh yes, I had to taste it first. Y'all like, what the hell?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. I'm gonna try that.
I think I probably need some salt though.
You want to get salt?
I wonder because I just ate pepper. Why it doesn't taste like it?
Mine is good. It's seasoned. Take a bite of the yuca. Yeah, we had it for? Yeah. Good. Dip in the Chick-fil-A.
Not everywhere sells fried yuca.
That's what I'm saying. You know what sell it? Tropical.
No, they don't sell a fried one.
Don't they have fried one? Really? I could have swear bought it there before.
No, you bought yuca, but not fried. They boil theirs. Yep.
Really?
Ooh, shiggity.
Family. Piece of chicken is nice and tender. What happened?
I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess, yo.
Making you hungry.
Yeah. I am hungry.
Long days always again, family, you know.
I'm going to my here tomorrow. I'm happy about that.
You know when first they had that, hey, no time yet.
You know, it's hair time. Hammer time. Whoa, whoa.
I know you're going to say first, hey, what you going to do? You tell me what you going to do?
I'm just going to get some knotless.
You get this one?
Oh. I haven't perfected knotless on myself yet.
When you get on yourself, that's when you're a boss.
Yeah, but I did my daughter's hair.
Came out excellent.
Come on, really good for real.
After her birthday, she paying all that money to go do her hair. She could do her hair herself.
Yep. But sometimes you just don't feel like doing it. Because it takes longer when you do it yourself.
At least you won't be in that much pain.
That's true. What I like about knotless braids is that as soon as you're done, you can put your hair up in one. You can style your hair because it's not like tight like regular braids. I do like that.
Knotless dread. First lady about to hook me up.
What do you say you are? Not this bread?
Family, I'm eating Dyce today.
Diet?
Dyce.
Oh.
This sauce right here be hitting. This orange sauce, I can't see it though.
I wonder how they make it. I gotta Google it. Because it is good.
Peruvian food.
They had rice this time. Last time, they didn't have any rice.
That's enough food for you?
Yeah. Too much food. They got rice this time.
Yeah, sure do. You think it's good, huh? Look at that grace is going down.
It's just good.
What?
It's just like fries.
Yuca?
Yeah.
Damn, chicken sauce.
With the Chick-fil-A sauce,
Yeah.
it tastes just like fries. Probably stew.
Every time you share your food, Elaine and I get happy. You get happy, right? It's the first lady sharing. Sharing is caring. Look at nice one. How do you think about dipping it with that sauce? Take good sauce.
The yuca, right?
Yeah.
It tastes really good. It tastes like fries, I'm telling you.
Nice. Family. I didn't give you a piece of chicken, but I'm gonna give you a piece more. Just break a little piece.
Yeah?
Okay. You want it in orange sauce? Okay.
Yeah, we were so hungry today, we didn't even have time to even put it back in the oven.
Yeah, you just put it back in. I'm gonna give the piece in here. Yeah, my hand is clean.
Usually, we put it in the oven. I'm gonna try this chicken.
Here, take a piece with the sauce on it. Always dripping. See that? Here, take a piece of the sauce. Okay, good.
I got shrimp in the soup.
Let me try that soup, son.
I got shrimp.
Let me see that soup up there.
That chicken is hot.
Let me try.
Pass it over.
What do you want?
You got space for it?
Always got space. As long as it's
As long as it's food, you have space, right?
always got space with it. Damn, Tom.
I should have known better. I don't know why I asked if you had a space for it.
Wow. So a lot of stuff in here.
It's a lot of seafood.
Wow. Hot money.
Yeah. When I was holding it in the car, I thought I was gonna burn my leg.
Not bad.
It's a watery kind of soup though.
But that hotness in your stomach.
Yeah.
Fam, this is for like when you're sick.
That's a good soup for when you're sick, for real. That's a good soup.
Wow.
It's a good soup when you're sick.
When you're sick though.
'Cause it makes it like hot for your stomach.
It's very hot. Nice. Wow.
So
What you got to tell them?
we was leaving to go buy the food, and I went around and asked everyone, "You want any food?" And remember, because the kitchen, make a chat.
One chat more.
Our kitchen is non-use right now. So I said, "Mommy, you want food?" My mother said no.
Yo, stop chat about my mother-in-law.
Do that again, see what happened.
Stop chat about my mother-in-law. Leave my mother-in-law alone.
My mother said, nope, I ate, I'm good. My mother loved to say no before she even realized what the question was. She's already saying no, right? So when she said, you know she gonna want food. I said, all right.
Yo, don't call my name, you know. Do not call my name. I'm not involved.
So we went. I asked my dad,
Got rice in
you
here.
want food? You do? You want food? And he said, sure. What kind? It's Peruvian food. It's okay. So we get a family meal. Come home, share our food, share his food, give him his food. He said thank you. Before my dad could even taste the food, my mother was already in the plate, digging on the plate.
Yeah, stop chatting mother-in-law, my youth.
So it's the middle talk. So what I did, I said, Mommy, I thought you said you wasn't hungry. She said, oh, let me taste this little piece of chicken. She was tearing his food up. Tearing his food up. We all knew that she was gonna eat his food. Everybody knew she was gonna eat his food except for my mother. Trust me, she didn't know.
You know.
But I knew. You knew.
Who?
You knew.
Who knew what?
You knew.
Don't
You
involve.
knew.
Do not involve me in your conversation, okay?
Put some Chick-fil-A sauce, please, honey. You knew.
When it comes to my mother-in-law, do not involve me. Mommy, she a chat here, you know.
So I tell you guys about Richie, he's a snitch. He's a freaking snitch.
I'm not involved, fam. Don't try to get me caught up.
You
I
are a
plead the
snitch,
fifth.
man.
I can't go to your D block.
Yo, you're a snitch, man?
Good one. I don't know nothing what's going on. Excuse me. Wow, this
Okay.
food is good.
Yeah?
Look at the rice right here.
So,
See the rice?
nobody in Clyde, you can snitch on me.
No, you can't.
Yeah?
Can't talk about my mother-in-law. No. Mama was in the building.
Snitches get stitches.
So, honey, how's your day? We are blabbering off a month.
I know, right? We're sorry.
We're sorry. Well, you know what time it is already, you know? If we don't talk, you know?
This red sauce, I don't know what the hell it is, but it's so good.
Wow. You already know. Black people juice. Know that. What you drink? You drink your juice already?
Yeah, I'm drinking this pure leaf. This one.
Beer leaf?
If you guys live in Florida, let us know if you've had La Granja before, because I
Yes.
know
Please do.
it's in Florida.
It's in Florida, if you live in Florida. You know what I'm saying? Let us know if you had it before and how
How'd you like it? What did you order?
like it? What did you order? You know what I'm saying? Please do. Our Floridians. What is this right here? Chicken?
Probably bite it. I know it's not pork, because I want to put pork in there.
Not pork. Tastes like. Egg.
Do you think it's oh, what's that thing called?
What?
I can't remember.
Hot.
Oh, it's still hot? Well, yeah, you're on a shake, my youth.
Hot money. Let me get my here.
You think it's conch?
I think so. I took 8 piece. What? They call them hot.
I think it's conch, because it's a white piece of
I think it's conch for real.
Cause it can't be fish, because it would have been
No, it can't be fish.
cooked out.
Yeah, it can't be fish. I
think
think I
it's
conch.
conch.
Yeah. That soup tastes good.
Yeah.
Family, that line was out the door. Family, come on. Let me vent real quick. I got to vent. Me and First just had a situation just now. Let me tell them the situation. So anyway.
For real.
The line for the place, right? The line for nice.
It's good.
When it's nice, you nicer than nice. You want to drink it twice.
Oh.
When I rhyme.
No.
Alright,
Oh, Lord.
no, serious talk now. So boom, me and First Lady was out there waiting. Right? The line was long. And we put up and said, oh God. So we saw a person holding the door. I said, yeah, this line long. So we're looking here. It's long. So anyway. When you see somebody coming, family, and like, do you hold the door for them and let them walk out? We was coming in, some people was holding the door for us coming in, and we were like, thank you, alright? So me and First Lady leaving now. I made First Lady go out first. And then this guy trying to bull his way in. We didn't even wait, so I hold the door, my First Lady hold the door. The guy, if you believe family, the guy walked past and didn't even say thank you. Me and First Lady said at the same time, you can't say it. But we hold the door for you, right? What's so hard saying thank you? You know what I'm saying?
Why do people do that?
Why, exactly. Why do people do that? You go out your way to hold the door for them, and they just walk right in and even say, "Oh," with the decency to say thank you. You know what I'm saying? My first look at it when my first was going off in the car.
That was rude.
Yeah, that was rude. Did that ever happen to you before? Let us know. Sure did.
Oh, plenty of time.
Yeah. Yep.
Plenty of time.
Come on now. Have the decency to say, okay, thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. They don't have to do it.
Yeah, you don't have to hold the door for anybody.
Yeah, I'm saying.
I'm not gonna lie. There's times when
What happened?
I be far from a door and someone will hold it. In my head, I'm like, why the hell are you holding that door? You see I'm far. Now I gotta run to the door.
Yeah.
Somebody say like running.
That's true. But you? If I see you coming out hold the door from far, did the guys that make you hold the door? I know why he was mad, because I was there. That's his problem. Family. A fiend problem.
A fiend problem, that you?
That's his problem, family. But yeah, just stuff like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, just making sense. Could we at least say thank you?
At least say thank you.
But we did.
Yeah, we look at it, and then at the same time, like, oh, bitch.
Like, you tripping.
Tripping. That was good. You ate up your food.
Yeah.
Family, this was a go.
This was a go.
We wanted it for a minute.
I wish, yeah, because last time, we told you what happened. If you didn't see that video, you can go watch it, because they didn't have any rice. And we wanted yellow rice and beans and all that stuff.
And that's what they specialize in.
Yeah.
Rice and beans. How are you gonna have rice and beans? And that's what you specialize with your chicken. That makes sense, family? Come on now.
I wish the
What?
trust me, if we had put it in the oven and the skin was crispy, I'd tore the skin up. But I don't like soggy skin.
Yeah, skin soggy.
I just don't.
You want to tell Leia? Let me meet her. Alright, family. It was a good one, family. Appreciate y'all.
This was good.
For joining with us, you know. Fast food week. But it's coming back, family. Oh my gosh.
And trust me, right now I could eat a nice piece of fish.
Yeah, be for sure. Alright.
Woo.
Make mama do is taste that soup here. And pop taste that soup here. The drink good door. See? Something up here. I think that's a conch that's in the tongue.
Conch?
Alright. Got it? That was good. If I drop it on my mouth, huh?
What's the best most?
Food, man.
Food?
We got beautiful people to wow.
Ooh, I'm a pick today.
Alright. Family, invest your energy into something that is going to contribute to your growth. Remember that.
Woo.
I invest a lot in First Lady. See, First Lady look hot. I appreciate y'all. You know, we talk about anything, family. Come on, and that's what we do in Greedy Couple. You know what I mean? That's what we do in the Greedy family. You already know that. So, if you are new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. I am Richie, aka Pastor Richie, chatty sometime, and aka First Lady, aka Shanice. And there you are, First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Appreciate y'all.